Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a chit chat type of get ready with me video where we're going to be testing out some affordable makeup. You guys, my entire face, each product was less than like $7 if I'm not mistaken. So if you like affordable drugstore type makeup videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps me out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I am going to put my primer on. I already moisturized my face. I don't have a affordable moisturizer. Let me know down below what affordable moisturizer I should try. As you guys know, I've recently tried, or in the previous months, I've tried e.l.f. in the blue packaging, but I'm willing to try something else. So let me know down below. And then I did my brows off camera as well. So going in with my primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I talk about this primer all the time. I really love how it just keeps your skin really hydrated. They do have other finishes. They have a matte one and a poreless one, but this one definitely gives me hydration. I like that it keeps my skin hydrated. Like, I don't like when primers dry my skin out. I feel like under your foundation definitely will trigger how your makeup is going to look throughout the day, or the finish of your makeup, I should say. And so I like for my skin to stay hydrated and glowy if possible. All right, so moving on to foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and I recently did a video on this foundation as well. So as I said before, check it out there, or it'll be listed in the description box below. But I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys. I know it's been a few days since I've uploaded a video, and you know, with everything that's going on, I try not to talk about you know, stuff like that on my channel, because it's just, I know some people like to look at my videos or just get on here and chit chat, like have a girls time, and we just talk, and this is like an outlet. But I just had to take some days to myself and just enjoy life and just be thankful for, you know, where I am and where I'm trying to accomplish, and my family and things like that. So it's just, it definitely wasn't anything personal. You know, nothing's going wrong. I just took some days off and to just not focus on you know, uploading. I want to say thank you to those of you who are new to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it, and it just helps me keep going, as I mentioned before. And guys, this is a new sponge, by the way. Oh, look at all, it just took away all this makeup. This is an Eco Tool sponge. I usually use the green one, but recently Burlington opened up. Girl, I did some retail therapy, okay? Like, serious. But they recently opened up, and they had this sponge. And I was like, oh, I have the green one. I never seen the pink one. I think the pink one was when they had breast cancer awareness. So, you know, a girl can never have too many sponges. So I just picked it up. It was really affordable. Comment down below if you've been doing some retail therapy in the stores that have opened up near you. I know I've checked out Burlington, I've checked out Ross. As you guys seen my haul, I'll list that down below as well. And I also checked out Marshalls and TJ Maxx just recently opened near me, and the sale wasn't as good as Burlington, so in my opinion. So let me know if you're experiencing the same thing with your retail stores. Those of you who are not going out still, and that's totally fine. Everyone has their own opinion on, you know, what is going on in our economy and society today. Comment down below if you've been doing some retail therapy online. Sorry, I'm all hitting my throat. Comment down below if you've been doing retail therapy online. I know some people like to shop online. Me personally, as I mentioned many times before, I would rather buy my stuff and have it tangible in my hand, and that's that on that. I couldn't decide what concealer I wanted to go in with. I don't even know what I'm going to name this video, but I am testing out some new Wet n Wild products. Everything is affordable in this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my affordable products that I like. So these are the e.l.f. concealers, the Hydrating Camo Concealer and the original Camo 16-Hour Wear Concealer. I have a video on this as well. This is looking really, really good. I haven't tried this concealer on top of this foundation before, I don't think. But this looks really, really good. The Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation has become one of my favorite affordable foundations. Guys, $5 Like, you can't beat that with a stick. So for setting powder today, I'm going to be going in with my airspun. This is a oldie but goodie. It's a holy grail product in my collection, and I have it in the shade Naturally Neutral. One of my girlfriends actually called me up on the phone and was asking what shade I was in this, and I was like, you know what, I haven't even used this in a video in a while, so let's go ahead and use this. But I love this powder because it doesn't dry, like it's not a drying powder, but it does set everything in place for a long period of time. It smells really good. It has a light fresh fragrance to it, so if you don't like fragrances, then you may not like this one. But it's really soft. You don't smell it throughout the day on your face. It's just what the powder is when you're putting it on. But I really like this powder. So to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and this is in the shade Medium. And this powder is really light, lightweight for the face. I'm gonna use a brush for this one. It's really lightweight, and it's semi-matte, but not too matte when it's like it's drying, you know? I was trying to do a full face of Wet n Wild, but it was some products that I'm still missing, but that's okay. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, number 743, and it looks like this. I love this bronzer. It has the perfect warmth for my skin tone. I don't know if it has a deeper one, but maybe you guys will be able to let me know if it's a deeper one. But I did get these Wet n Wild products are sold at Five Below. So if you can't find Wet n Wild at Target or Walmart, definitely check out Five Below as well. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine shade. It's a blush. I mentioned some of these new products that I'm pulling out. This is a new product. I mentioned this in a haul that I just recently did, so make sure you check that out as well. So this is like a really pretty mauve pink, and I haven't tried a Wet n Wild blush before, so that's how I was like, let me just try it. Ooh, it's really pigmented. I love like rosy, corally, and peach tone like bronzers, blushes. So this is like perfect and right up my alley. All right, so on to the eyes. This is the Wet n Wild VI Purple eyeshadow palette, and if you guys seen the haul that I talked about, I swatched the shades on there as well. But this is a cute palette, so I'm gonna try to do something simple, but I'm so intrigued for these purple shades over here, so maybe we'll do something with the purple. I also recently picked up a BH Cosmetics Pretty in Pink 10-piece brush set with the cosmetic bag, and the box looks like this. And this is what the bag looks like. Super cute rose gold bag, and all the brushes look like this. I just wanted to get some more brushes. You can never have too many brushes. I'm going in with this shade here for my transition shade. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. Try to keep this look as simple as possible. This is certainly a look you can do if you are starting to go out, because I know some restaurants have been opening up for outside. And so if you want to just get cute because we've been in quarantine, girl, this look can definitely be for that. So just gonna take that transition shade and put that all over my lid, and then bringing it up to the crease, brushing back and forth. Color is really pigmented. Then the same on this side. Just gonna pack it on first and then move it around. But you wanna be careful because see, there's some fallout there. So you wanna be careful when doing this. But how have you guys been holding up with everything that is going on? If you wanna talk about it, definitely comment down below. I know some people don't like to talk about these type of things, but it is what we're going through right now. It's what we've been going through for decades. So, you know, definitely I would encourage you to stay prayed up. Definitely stay prayed up. Definitely keep your mind in a positive manner and positive vibes. Do things that you love to do. that make you feel comfortable and laugh. So now we have that shade all over the lid. I think I'm gonna put this purple shade on the bottom lash line. So first I'm gonna go back into this transition shade and put it on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take an old BH Cosmetic brush that I have. They don't have numbers or anything, but it still says BH Cosmetic. I got this in a set years ago. And I'm just gonna place this on the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take this purple and put that on the bottom as well. I'm gonna spray it a bit just so that it can stick. What was I saying? Oh, so yes, definitely stay positive and try not to get too overwhelmed, but do what you like to do. But do what you like to do and do it unapologetically, you know, to stay encouraged and stay positive. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this gold. This gold is calling me. So I'm gonna use a inner corner brush. This is the Morphe M431 brush. And I'm gonna take this gold and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I told you guys, something so simple. Simple but cute, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm gonna pop some lashes on and then I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and put my lashes on, did the bottom lash line by adding mascara. Now we're gonna move into the highlight. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in this shade Precious Petals number 321. It looks like this. Looks like this, and I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see. It's really subtle, but still doable, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and put, oh, I don't wanna put too much. Put that on my nose. Put a little bit over here. So yeah, that is the gist of, you know, everything while I took a break and all that, and just checking in to see how you guys are doing. So yeah, let me know all of that down below. And for lip, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. It's like this brown, really pretty brown, like chestnut shade. So I'm just gonna put that on. And of course, for lip gloss, I'm gonna be going in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick, and this is in the shade Sin Nudes. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat type of video with us checking in on each other. Definitely leave your comments down below and let me know if you use any of these products as well. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.